I'm teaching you Japanese, which you can start using today. And so far we covered Japanese greetings, simple questions to answers, how to count numbers. And in this show, we're gonna get into a little bit into grammars so that we clear some problems or some questions that we have. But don't worry, I've been a teacher, I've been a translator, I know how grammars can be difficult. I'm gonna break it down for you. Articles and particles. This is very important in Japanese. And we have more list of adjectives. We did a little bit, but we're gonna go a little bit more. And then we learn how to say there is, there are in Japanese. And also we learn teinego. This is a Japanese term for polite speech. It's very important to be polite or casual in Japanese speech, so we'll learn that